The top paying AdSense keywords and the best AdSense niches for 2020. If you are using AdSense placement on your site to monetize it, then it makes sense that you want the biggest payoff possible. Who will not? You need to be strict about which niches you write in and what keywords you are optimizing for, because not all AdSense will pay equally. If you can use your content to drive click and conversion in high paying niches or keywords, you will see more profit coming from the AdSense placement that you have available on your site. This kind of struggle is what will make the difference between making a few cents per click and driving significant revenue that has a real impact on your life and business. We wanted to help publishers see the kind of revenue they are hoping for when they become AdSense publishers. So we did some research. We use same raw CPC map tool to take a close look at the top paying and niches and keywords so that you can shift your content to start accommodating them today. The best AdSense niches in the USA, Canada, the UK and Australia. Finding the most profitable AdSense niches is going to be a good place to start when you are creating content with the goal of monetizing through the disabled network, but you want to keep in the mind that are variation based on location. Let's take a look at the best niches in the USA, Canada, UK and Australia. And remember that targeted right niches can be even more beneficial when you combine the knowledge with the top paying keywords. To the best AdSense niches in the USA. In the United States, insurance is easily the highest paying niche, which has an average CPC of $70.55. All type of insurance fall under these niches, including health, home, auto and life insurance. Businesses are willing to pay more for click on the insurance and because they can have incredible high ROI even with much higher CPCs.
Thank you.
धन्यवाद.